The SWC file is an Adobe Animate component library. Pre-built Flash elements ready to drop into animation and interactive media projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you use and manage these component files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the SWC format and dozens of others obsolete. SWC files are compiled component library files for Adobe Animate, formerly Flash Professional, and Apache Flex, containing pre-built ActionScript classes, SWF assets, and component definitions. They package reusable UI components, code libraries, and visual assets for efficient Flash and AIR application development. Adobe SWC files use a zip compressed archive containing a compiled SWF library, a catalog.xml component, manifest, and optional source files. The format bundles: ActionScript bytecode, linked SWF movie clips, component metadata, and ASDoc documentation for code library distribution. Most installations default to associating Adobe Animate from Adobe Systems Incorporated with SWC. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows offers only basic attributes, while full operation of the plugin requires compatible applications. Open the menu by right-clicking your SWC file and choosing Open With. Test Adobe Animate if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the SWC file differently. If your SWC file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The stubbornness of this SWC file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, using an Adobe Animate, open Adobe Animate and add the SWC file to your project's library path. Through File, then ActionScript Settings, then Library Path. The components become available in your project for instantiation through ActionScript code. Browse included classes and components in the SWC using the reference documentation. Next, inspecting SWC Contents. Rename the SWC extension to zip and extract the contents to view the internal structure. The catalog.xml file lists all included components and classes. The library ref contains the compiled ActionScript code and visual assets. Review component documentation for usage instructions and API references. Finally, using in Flex projects. Add the SWC to an Apache Flex or Adobe AIR project library path in your IDE settings. Reference included components and classes in your MXML and ActionScript source code. The compiler resolves SWC dependencies automatically during build producing the final SWF or AIR application package. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.